Hello friends, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, now in these sessions we are going to start a grammar sessions chapter 22 as you can see in the screen, biosketch. Now what is the biosketch, student? There is nothing in this to understand so much, but it's a small descriptions or a short composition you can say in details in which you have to mentions the details of the particular celebrity, sport persons or any. Okay, so we are going to see in this chapter. Look at in the screen, students. Here it is given a beautiful example. A biosketch or a biographical sketch is a short composition giving details of important events in the life of a person. It highlights the achievements of the persons, use the given details of the person and expand them into complete statements. Okay. Now what is the biosketch, student? It is a short composition which gives the details of only important events in the life of the persons. Okay. Any celebrity or any important persons or any philosopher also you can say, or any national leaders, many. Okay, in that only their important events means their achievements only we have to mention regarding the points. Okay, in the questions the points has been given here. See, look in the example, students, and we have to expand it. Okay, according to the questions we have to expand it, the details, not only just copy. When you're writing the answers, many of them I have observed that they're just copying the questions, but not that. Okay, so let's take an example, students. William Henry Bill Gates. नेम समझ में आ गया हमको. नाउ इट्स बर्थ 28 अक्टूबर 1955. ओके, इट्स बर्थ date. Founded Microsoft, largest software company. Okay, it's what you saying, it's professions. Okay, now early childhood, when he was in the childhood, he has took interest in programming as early as 13 years of age. Now what is about their family background? Married Melinda French in 1994, have 3 children. Okay, now his interest in reading, he bought Codex Leicester, a collections of writings by Leonardo da Vinci for $30.8 million at an auctions in 1994. Okay, so here it is questions they have mentioned, students. According to that we have to expand it. Writing, he is interested in writing, author, and he has written authored 2 books, The Road Ahead and Business at the Rate of the Speed of Thought. Okay, now philanthropy, Bill and Melinda Gates, the second most generous philanthropist in America, gave over $28 billion to charity. They plan to donate 95% of their wealth to charity. So let's how they have expanded, students. It is very easy. There is nothing to understand actually in these, students, but let's take an example so you can get the idea. Okay, now William Henry Gates, better known as Bill Gates, is one of the wealthiest and most successful businessmen in the past several years. Okay, he was born on 20th October 1955. See, go through the points and then expand it. Okay, he began to take interest in programming when he was only 13 years of age. Okay, early childhood में जो हमको बताया था, according to that we have expanded it. See, go through the points, students. He established Microsoft, the largest software company till date. He married Melinda French in 1994. They have 3 children now. Bill Gates is an avid reader of books. He bought Codex Leicester, a collection of writing by Leonardo da Vinci for $30.8 million at an auctions in 1994. He has also authored 2 books, The Road Ahead and Business at the Rate the Speed of Thought. Bill and Melinda have fulfilled their social responsibility too. They were the second most generous philanthropists in America. They have given over $28 billion to charity. They plan to eventually donate 95% of their wealth to charity. Okay, see in this, many of the points they have dicto mentions in this the paragraph, students. As you have observed, only you have to fill up the pronouns and subjects also, and many other things in which you have to add it, okay, and expand it. The second thing we have observed that in the names they have comments with the capital letters, okay, and completing after each and every sentence you have to put the full stop, and after full stop you have to commence with the capital letters, students, in this. Okay, only that we have to keep in mind. Okay, let's take one more example, students. See, Lata Mangeshkar, 1 minute. See, Lata Mangeshkar तो हम सभी को पता है, she is a very famous singer, students. Okay, now her born 20th September 1929 at Indore. Her career, sung about 40,000 songs in 12 languages, has been singing for over 50 years of heroines across generations. Epithet, the Nightingale of Bollywood. Okay, in the Nightingale of Bollywood, she has been known the Nightingale of Bollywood. Okay, now her father Dinanath Mangeshkar taught Lata singing since she was 5 years old. See, in the questions we are going to understand that we can understand what is the points is about and how we have to expand it, students. Okay, the details is given clearly. Only we have to fill up all the pronouns, nouns and verbs according to the actions and all that. Only we have to keep in mind the capital letter, full stop, inverted comma and all that. Okay, a short paragraph you have to mention about each and every topics is given. Okay, according to that. Now, voice quality. Versatile music composers could challenge her voice and make it sound sweet. Interest, very fond of diamonds. Okay, Lata Mangeshkar likes diamonds very much. Someone like golds, someone likes silvers and all that. So her interest is diamond. Now debut started her career as an actress in Hindi and Marathi movies, moved on to singing. See, now according to the points, how we have to expand, students. See, I'll show you. See, here it is given. Lata Mangeshkar, popularly known as the Nightingale of Bollywood. Okay. See, many of the points you can take the last point also in the first one, or middle points also in the first line. It's up to you. Only all the points has to be mentioned in the questions which they have provided. Okay. Use proper grammar in between. She was born on 20th September 1929 at Indore. She was taught singing by her father, Shri Dinanath Mangeshkar, when she was just 5 years old. She sang almost 40,000 songs in 12 different languages. Okay? She sang for different heroines across generations. She has a versatile voice quality. Music directors could challenge her voice and make it sound sweet. She is fond of diamonds. Okay, so have you understood, students? In this way you have to expand according to the question. Now, in the notebook, what you have to write, students, in the notebook which I have explained, page number 148, you have to mention okay, in the notebook, and also about the Lata Mangeshkar and this Deepa Malik and Dalai Lama. Also, you have to write with your own. Okay, so see you then. Goodbye, students. Take care.